Welcome. So today's video, we're gonna ultimately jump right in and we're gonna do a 5-minute routine to get you moving again, to get your fascia moving, to get your lymph flowing, to get circulation going. If you are a desk worker or if you're a professional sitter, you're gonna wanna do this. Again, we wanna make sure that we're moving our body roughly every hour, at most every 2 hours, to ensure that our lymph and our fascia and circulation are moving. So it's gonna be super simple. We're gonna spend about 5 minutes to do it and you're gonna feel amazing after. All right. So join me standing up and let's get going. All right, so join me standing up. What we're gonna do is we are going to move all of our major joints because when we sit, everything gets all sorts of like crunched up and all of our major lymph nodes get affected. Now, what makes me unique is we always pump our specific 7 before jumping into anything else. So we're gonna do 10 in each spot, starting with our termini. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tonsils. And you might see that I move ever so slightly when I'm doing this. You can do that too. Apical. And this movement just helps get things moving. And it feels nice. So this is something that I do regularly. Armpit. And it doesn't have to be any specific movement right now. You can see that I'm just swaying. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Take a nice breath in and sigh it out. Cisterna, chyli. 8, 9, 10. Let's take 3 deep breaths from our diaphragm. Onto our groin. Let's do 4 passes. And our knee. 7, 8, 9, 10. And honestly, whenever we do balance work too, you're ultimately stimulating your nervous system, which is also helping control drainage. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into a little bit of a low squat, arms out, and I want you to reach side to side. We're gonna do this for about 20 seconds, and I want you to switch your hands. So you can see I'm literally just reaching side to side. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna shrug our shoulders up and down, up and down, up and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna do head circles. So chin down, bring it to the side and other side. What we're wanting to do, and if you feel like in here little crunchies, totally normal. We're trying to get movement back into our neck. Now what we're gonna do is bring it up. We're gonna go back, side to side. Now you might feel a little stiff and things loosen up as we get moving. We're not going super fast, but we're also not going super slow. Now we're gonna tilt our chin down and up, down and up, down and up. Great. Now what I want you to do is we're going to bring our arms forward, down and up, down and up. And I want your thumbs facing backwards as you do this. So thumbs are facing up ultimately the whole time. Other direction, now thumbs are gonna face down. You're gonna have to rotate your shoulders to keep your thumbs pointing down. All right, now we're gonna do hip circles. You can see my legs are nice and wide. And I'm choosing to have them wide this time, switching directions. Now I want you to get your upper body into it and switch directions. Okay, bring your legs in, knee circles. And I'm going one direction currently. And now we're gonna go the other way. You might have a little crinklies in your knees. One leg up, ankle circles. I like to bring it up. You can, if you need, you can have it down and do ankle circles. Let's go the other direction. Keep your shoulders back when you do this, so standing up nice and tall. Switch sides. Pick whatever direction you want. Now, I like this balancing on one leg because, again, it's stimulating your vestibular system, your brain. It's making your brain think, and it's connecting your brain back to your body. All good things. So we switch directions, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake it out. And I want you to try and like shake and feel like all of your muscles and everything jiggle. Everything should jiggle. There is no right, no wrong way to do this. All right, guys. So that's a 5-minute thing, especially if you've been sitting 2 hours. What it's gonna do is it's just gonna help get you moving again, get your lymph moving, get your fascia moving. Go drink some water, add a pinch of salt, and see how much better your fascia feels the more often you do this, which ultimately means the less muscle tightness and the better drainage you're gonna have. Let me know how it goes below. How did it feel? Thanks for being here. Happy draining.